Hey everybody, Chelsea here. If you were in customer interviews, you know how long it can take to go back through all of your notes and summarize what you learned. It's valuable, but it takes so much time. Not anymore. Let me show you how you can use AHA Discovery to analyze all of your customer transcripts using AI. Let's check it out. So let's say we are doing research for a fictitious fitness app called Fredwin Cycling. Here are all of our customer interviews uploaded directly into AHA Discovery. These interviews can come from anywhere, Zoom, Teams, you name it. So let's hop into one. Okay, this is a conversation between Rose, Eric, and Catherine. I have the entire video here, as well as a complete transcript of the conversation, which is already helpful, right? But now I can do so much more with the AI assistant. Down here, you'll see we have a summary of the entire conversation, as well as AI-generated sentiment analysis. But I would love to get some key learnings from the conversation, so I am going to ask AI to do that. Okay, amazing. Yes, here they are surfacing for me to review. I can go one by one. I can check them out. I can accept or delete at will. And if there's still a certain question I really want to ask, I can do that. I can go to the Ask Any Question section and say something like, what are the top areas of feedback in this interview and the related ideas, and see what AI comes up with. I can also relate back to any quote. Let's see if I scroll up here. The AI assistant pulls out key quotes for me to take a look at and analyze, and if I upload any of the questions in advance I plan to ask during the interview, they will track the responses directly to those questions. I absolutely love this. And that's it. Now you can go from raw transcript to real insights literally in minutes. I hope you check it out.